Hello. So when you see the box, you already know what it is. So let's jump right in, right? I don't know why I usually some get like these boxes, like the white ones, but and sometimes I do get the other ones, the just brown ones. I don't know why it's sometimes different. So let me get these out. So the box I don't need anymore. So I have 3 paintings. So by the color you can see that there's 1 square and 2 rounds. So let's see which one I'm gonna open first. And I want to do the square one first. So we have, it's on the other side, it's like this one. It's a cedar and I loved it. I love the colors in the painting, but I am going to stop to buy because yeah, it's getting crazy, and I might have to sell some diamond paintings, diamond art cups I mean, like ones that I will probably never do. So yeah. So let's see. It's a 71 by 56, so it's a pretty long one. And there is the inventory and sticker. So we have the sticker and the inventory. So we have 38 colors. This again is a picture. Beautiful picture. I love it. Yeah. When I saw that one, I wanted to buy it, but it was out of stock, so I had to wait until they restocked this toolkit. So there we have the name, like always, on their canvases. Not on the canvas, but on the, whoa. It looks already amazing, and I haven't opened it yet. Wow. It's huge. Doesn't seem that good on the picture, but alright. And of course you cannot see it. Okay, that's the best thing I can do. Maybe I'm gonna try it to put it higher like this so you can see it better. That's better. So yeah, that's a little bit creases, but it's nothing too worst. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. There's this view, so beautiful with the little fish around it. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I am going to try to put it a little bit higher so you can see it almost full. That's better. That's the highest I can. But it does look amazing, right? So we have 38 colors. It's a pretty huge one. We have step by step that I don't really need. And this one is a square like I mentioned. But look at the colors. There's so many pictures, there's so many colors. And oh yeah, here is the AB one. Gorgeous. Yeah, I am not going to open that because, oh, look at that orange. Oh, that's so gorgeous. And the yellow. Yeah, because there's a lot of purple that I have to say. Blue. Yeah, and of course brown for the turtle. So yeah, but it's going to be beautiful, this one. I am going to put this in it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to do that one. I might soon be doing a stash video. I'm still thinking about doing the diamond art clubs in another video for the stash. I don't know yet, so I'll have to see what I do. So that was the first one. So let's do this one next. I love this one. It's by Mandy Manzano. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing her name not correct, but yeah, I am not good with names, especially in English. So I'm sorry about that. Oh, I think you saw it, no? I think you did, but that's okay. So the next one is this one. The Mad Kitty. Actually, I had that one from AliExpress, but I didn't knew at the time that it was a licensed one by a Diamond Art Club. So now I have the licensed one, which I'm really happy about. So this one is going to be gorgeous. I saw that one. I don't know on which channel, but I know this one does look gorgeous. So I'm really happy. Yeah, the kids, which we all know. So that's the picture again. Oh, beautiful. I don't really like the cat from Alice, but this one I do like. So I have 36 colors. Yeah, it's a gorgeous piece. So it's 71 by 51, and I just ripped my, oh, why didn't I cut it? Oh. Alright, I'm gonna stick that right there because I am not going to stick that again. Yeah, I just ripped it, but that's alright. Which side is it? This side. Oh, it's gorgeous! And so huge. Look at his face. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's more, I thought it would, there's more, I think, I don't know if it's brown, but I don't think it is, but it's maybe brown just to make it look easier. But yeah, I love it. And I know this one is beautiful. I've seen that one finished, so yeah. I love it. I love it. And I have an air bubble right here. I am going to try to alright, I think there's another one here. And here there's another one. Yeah. Not that's, it's not a big of a deal, but I like it flat. And there's not too many blacks in it, I think. I think this is the black one. So yeah, not too many black, but I love it. Mad Kitty. Yeah, but I have to stop buying from them, but I'm out of space for those boxes. The other ones, like, I can lay flat in a big box, but these I keep in their original box. So yeah, I am getting out of space. They take up too much space, but it's actually my fault because I keep buying them. I need to start making them and stop buying. Maybe that's going to be like something I do next year. Stop buying from Diamond Art Club and just start making them. That would be awesome. Maybe like a drill and chill. No, not a drill and chill, but maybe a drill with me. Something like that. I don't know. It depends if you like that sort of video. And I presume you have already saw what this one is. Yes, you did. So it's this one. How gorgeous is that? I almost bought this one twice, so luckily I watched what I ordered, because yeah, I would have two by now. But it is gorgeous. It is 56 by 70. I am excited to see that one. Is there a sticker? Oh, it's already out. It's already out, my sticker. So, oh, 25 colors. That's why it's going to be quick. I thought it would be more, but no. 25 colors in this one. Which looks amazing, I think. But I am going to, just to prevent what I had in the previous one, I'm gonna cut it instead of trying to open it like that and rip my plastic. So the kits. So this one is one that goes like this. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. Yeah, I know already that it won't fit on the camera. So you have the first one, and then we have, I really need to invest in something for my camera, but, and that's the second one. How cute are they? How cute. Maybe you'll see it. Oh, you see them like this. Yeah, it's, I know it's sideways, but I'm sorry. So this one is around as well, 25 colors. So you can imagine that there are a lot of bags of one color. And yeah, oh, not many blacks. I have just a little bit here, the eyes, the nose, and that's about it. So yeah, there's not a lot of black in this one, but I think there's a lot of gray in this one. Gray, blue, and white. So that's basically all the colors, and a little bit of green. So that's basically all the colors that are inside there. Yeah, but it's gorgeous. Yeah, these are going to, and the problem is that all the paintings are so big, so I'm probably going to be doing one painting like for a week or two, maybe 3. But I am soon home from work, so yeah, on a little vacation, you can say. So I'm gonna try to be painting every day, so I can do a little bit of diamond painting done by the end of the year, because my stash is going so big. I need to do more painting. More painting, less buying, right? No, 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 not less buying. Keep buying, but also more painting. Yeah. There are too many gorgeous pictures. And I will be doing a custom soon for my colleague, for her baby. Of her baby, for her present, I mean. What did I wanted to show you again? Oh yeah, I finished a project as well. It didn't take long, but I do wanted to show you. I keep it in the bag just to protect the stones and for not having cat hair on there if I want to sell it. So yeah, just to protect it. So yeah, I have other projects, but I'm still working on it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, and there are 6 more on the way, but they were on sale, so I think they were all on sale. Or was it this one? I can't remember. I did buy once when they were on sale, but I can't remember which one it is, so I have to check it out. But yeah, I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please subscribe or leave a comment down below with any questions or requests, and have a wonderful day, evening or night. Please stay safe, because I know the situation is getting bad even where I live, so I can only hope that you are safe and well. So yeah, please take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.